what's up? It's another good day, guys. So for today, I will just quickly show you the things you can do and the things you can modify with your chest home workout for that to be more challenging and more intense. So yeah, let's get quick to the routine and let's get pumped. So first stop, we got the side-by-side incline and decline push-up. So yeah, go with decline push-up. First, do a 20 rep decline push-up. Then immediately go to the incline push-up. Then do another 20 reps. Then yeah, we can call it your first set. So do this for 4 sets just to get the pump and get the blood flowing. So yeah, that's our first exercise. Second stop, we've got the modified push-ups. It's a regular push-ups, but you know, we like it more challenging and more intense, so we're doing levels into that one. As for your modified push-ups, we're adding resistance into it and we're adding 3 levels into it. So your first level would just be regular push-ups. Yeah, do that for until failure. Then second level, you have the retroflex, or as I'm saying always, the rubber band. So you wrap them up on yourself, then do your push-up. Third level would be something that's quite heavy. For me, it's the ab machine. So you just put it steadily on your back, then do your push-up. So for second and third level, you can do it for 12 to 15 reps. It depends on your level of fatigue. So yeah, that would be it. And do 2 sets of level 1, then 3 sets of level 2, then another 3 sets of your level 3, then you're good to go with the second exercise. So, we will finish this off quick with flies. So, yeah, we've got fly modification as well at home. So, you can do your rubber band as your first level. And then, we will go straight into the third level. We have no second level into this one. So third level, which is the highest level, you will just attach your rubber band to your dumbbells or anything, any weight that you want to use, provided that it has equal amount of weight each side to avoid that underdevelopment. So yeah, do your reps, do that for first level, do 2 sets of that, and second level, do 2 sets as well for 15 to 20 reps each, depending on your capacity and pump by the time you're doing it, because as you know, you are already fried after the 2 exercises I mentioned a while ago. So yeah, that comprises our chest routine for today. It will be quick, then just make sure your rest periods are on check, like 15 to 20 seconds only, because this is again a home workout and not a heavy workout on the gym. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that program. If you like it and want more of it, be sure to tap that subscribe button and the bell icon alongside with it to get you notified of my next uploads. So yeah, and be sure to watch. I prepare a playlist for you, both for beginners and for advanced, so make sure to check that, because today the advanced home workout will be completed due to this episode that is already uploaded. So yeah, until our next video, and keep safe and keep the gains coming. Till next time.